Alright, we got window repair 101 out here. Looks like the Dodge got a broken window. Oh, he already took the old one out. He's quick. Safe light repair. Safe light replace. On the job. Quick. Like a bunny. Quick like a bunny. I'm about doing a good job. Window repair. It's 17 degrees outside. He's freezing his little fingers off. Quick though. I don't mess around out here. Okay, I'm cleaning right up. It's got some sort of liquid. Yeah, he's cleaning up for the new glue. Great job. Dropped my camera a couple times now. It's starting to make noise like one Tough Dogs. There's my pad. Safe light repair. Safe light replace. The Dodge. Over the Hemi. Cuckoo birds down there. Cuckoo bird. Oh, you got the massive caulking gun. Wow. Like a real gun. Window installation 101. Changing the tube. Giving a nice clean job with it. Look at that shit. You just put that thing right on there like butter. That's all the window is cocked in. A little bit of caulking. I'm gonna take the mirror off, screw the mirror back in for you and everything. Nice. I was just taking the oh look, break them apart. There's a real truck. There's a real truck. Ooh. Oh, there's Mom. That's Tina's mom and Tina's grandma and Tina. They all go hang out together. That's the F-150. Just in time for him to finish this truck. There's G.I. Joe going back to the service tomorrow. He's going to the army tomorrow. This boy right here. Yo, what's up, buddy?
Hey.
What's going on?
It's cold.
You leaving? You leaving tomorrow?
What's up, Dave?
You leaving tomorrow?
I'm leaving today.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
We're gonna miss you, man.
Miss you too.
Whoops.
Good job.
Watch you dizzy.
Will.
All right, peace. Kid's a good kid. Well, good morning, tubers. Today is going to be a little adventure. I found this place with Model A parts, and we're going to go check it out. It's I don't know if you can see this, but it's Tams Model A parts. It's 42 Temple Street, West Boylston, Massachusetts, 01583. So we're gonna go there, gonna check it out. Maybe I'll pick up something. I don't know. I'm a poor boy, but I just want to see what they got. So come on. Well, hey, this is you, Dizzy, coming live and direct from, I guess we're in West Boylston. But we went to Tams. I couldn't really record in there because I'll tell you right now, he's one of those old style parts dealer, and he's like a pack rat. But I'll tell you right now, he just gave me the whole gasket set for the engine for $12. I mean, beg me pardon. So I got that bag there in the back seat, and I got a magazine here for his parts book, pretty thick to what he's got. I mean, he's got bodies and everything. You know, he gave me a pamphlet with body styles for the Roadster and stuff, and I bought the gasket kit. I mean, in the book it says it's $37.50, but he actually gave it to me for $12, and I'm not sure why. But you Dizzy likes that kind, right?
Oh, right. I'm sorry. I'm spacing out again. With my ADD.
That's our ADD. Freaking right. Look at all those campers in there in the back. Can you see all them? Holy cow! There's hundreds of campers back there. It must be for sale or something. But the sun is bright. The time is right for a Tams Model A parts trip. Frickin' right. So that was cool. Hope you enjoyed that. Not that you've seen much. Well, now that I'm home, I got the magazine, so if anybody needs Model A parts, this is the guy to go see. I'll tell you that right now. He was really cool. He had this truck. I'll have to throw the picture in. He had that right in the front yard. There's his phone number, his websites and whatnot. And the guy is awesome. He's got any advice, I mean, any questions you got, he'll answer your question. He was really cool. Older dude, you know, older shop, you know, where he got everything, but he has got everything. I started making a list of some stuff that I need, and the stuff is cheap. I mean, $2 for radius balls, floating mounting kit, $68. That's the motor mount. That ain't bad at all. I need some wheel bearing grease, and I just started, you know, gear lube, water pump grease, battery cable. I got the ground one. I just need the positive one. But I'll show you what was in that kit. We had got a few things that are in that kit, to be honest with you. Let me turn the light on here. Alright. Got the manifold gaskets. It's two of them, you know, two-piece with the metal in it. That's really good. I got all the gaskets I'm gonna need for everything. This is the thing I just painted, the spring cover, the valve spring cover. That's where that goes, and then this is on. I think I painted this down there too. Can't even get it out of there. This one here. It's really cool. And then this is everything else. This is for the carburetor, the water pump, everything else is in there. And these ones here, this one here is the bottom, and this one's the top. That's for the oil pan. This goes in where the shaft comes out, you know, for the pulley. So that's got to be soaked in oil, the top and the bottom one. They gave me absolutely everything in here. I'm totally happy with everything I got. And the guy sold it to me for $12. Okay? $12. Got everything. I mean, I was gonna get the gasket thing and make all my own. $12? Are you kidding me? Comes with all the pieces, with them all cut, with everything. Are you kidding me? And I mean, I can't cut these ones, the manifold ones. So, I mean, those were only $4. But that all came in the kit, so that's pretty cool. Gotta love that kind, you know? And guys help you out. So for all your Model A parts, don't forget Tams, West Boylston, Massachusetts. Frickin' right. So now we're back at the shop here, the U-Dizzy shop. I pulled this out. I gotta paint that. That's the oil pan. It's all cleaned up. I'm probably gonna tape this nut up, just so it stays the brass color, because it's pretty cool. I'll paint that up black. It's all clean inside there. But this here, see this here? This is what's gonna get dug out. This frickin' stuff. And then that's that's one of those white things. This big part right here. That's what that is. And then the seals go around the blah blah blah. But I cleaned up all the clutch there. And I pulled this out too. This is the starter and the cowl for the transmission. And for the plate there. Oh, you can't really see it. Gotta clean that up as well for inside there. It's all cleaned up though. This is all clean. The starter's all clean. Everything's working order. It just needs painted now. So that'll be the next task. Brought my stuff down to the shop. Get it all painted up. This is gonna be the green. This is gonna be black. That's gonna be black. Oh, and I primed those rails up. Primed the rails up. I don't know if I showed you that already, but there you go. So that was a nice trip today. Met some nice guy, and got to see a nice place and get some stuff for the motor. So I figure, alright, comment, like, subscribe. Check out the links below. As always, get your hardcore U-Dizzy swag. Oh yeah, I got it on somewhere today. There it is. So get some of that, because it looks good on you.